Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup by Sasha, and hey if you're new. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to apply lashes. Not only that, how to make your eyes look nice and bright and a little bit bigger, especially for those who have smaller eyes. Many of you guys struggle with this, so today I'm just going to nip it in the bud and show you guys exactly how to put on lashes. So stay tuned if you're interested in learning. So the lashes I'll be using today is the doll face lashes in the style Rihanna. I absolutely love them. I've literally bought about 5 pairs. To be honest, they're not too great with social media, and you can literally only buy them from the store, from your local beauty hair shop. But guys, they're amazing. Right, so first things first, what I'm going to do is literally just obviously take them out the packet. I've had these lashes for a little while actually, but they're still going strong. So there's still a little bit of glue from the last time, but it's not too much, so I'm not going to bother peeling them off. So what you need to do is get your tweezers and you want to hold the hairs like this. So as you can see, you've got the root of the eyelash just here like that. So also another thing to remember, guys, when you're putting on lashes, it's always going to be the shortest part of the lash. The shorter hairs go on the inside and the longer hairs go on the outside. You do have lashes where they might be longer in the middle and shorter on the outsides, and they're both equal. That's fine. You can put them on your left or your right or your right or your left, and that's fine. Normally what I tend to do, I will look at the box. So obviously I'd hold the box like this, so I know immediately that this one's going to go on this eye and this one's going to go on this eye. So that's just a little tip for you. Right, so I'm going to hold the lash with my tweezers. You can use any tweezers, guys. So I'm just going to make sure that I've turned it round so I know that this eyelash is going to go on this eye. I'm going to get my glue. If I come close, I'm literally just painting just on that root there. Make sure it's evenly covered. And make sure you blow and wave. That's literally what I do. I blow and wave, guys. So you want to do that until the glue gets a little bit tacky. So I'm going to go right behind my lashes and stick them just above my root. Now this will help your lashes to look a little bit bigger. So once I've stuck that on, then I'm going to move to the inner corner and I'm going to stick that on. And then I'm going to lift this up again because it's attached to my eyelash, and then stick this on the end. Once that's done, you literally want to just try to squeeze your lashes and the lashes together. But bearing in mind, I've left a small little gap so that my eyes don't look too small. So that bit's very important, especially if you've got quite small eyes. You want to leave a little bit of a gap, and it also helps to ensure that your lashes don't keep getting pulled out. Every time you put them on, take them off, put them on, take them off, you're losing lashes each time. So this is a good way to just make sure that you've still got lashes left at the end of the day. I'm going to show you guys again. So I've put on the glue for the lash, so I'm just going to wait about 20 seconds. 20-25 seconds. It depends on the lash band. If the lash band is really thick, you'll have to wait maybe 30 seconds just to be sure. If you've got a really thin lash band, you should be fine to put it on. Just wait 15 seconds. That should be great, because the smaller the lash band, the less time you have to wait for the glue to dry. The larger the lash band, you have to wait a little bit longer. Otherwise you'll find that you'll put on the lash and it'll still be wet if it's too thick and you've only left it on for like 10 seconds. It's not going to work. So yeah, that's just a tip for you guys. So right, so I've waited long enough now for that. So again, taking the lash, and I'm going to come from above and go behind my lashes, okay? Right in the center. But I'm not going all the way down to the lash. So I've plonked it on the center. Now I'm going to move to the side and attach that. And then attach the inner corner. So once that's done, I'm just going to get the tweezers and just make sure that that's on properly by squeezing my lashes together with the false lashes. And there we have it. Your lashes are on. I've actually, what I did before this was I applied mascara to my lashes, which I didn't tell you guys. You don't have to do that before. You could actually just do it after. That's fine. There's no rules really to that. And that's literally it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I know a lot of you have been struggling with the same lash thing, the same how to put on lashes, and I hope I've solved that for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and obviously subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, guys, I will see you again in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.